Hey, how's it going? This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone and I told you that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitor sites. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on your home page. And so it looks pretty good. Scrolling through here, it's easy to navigate. However, there is not very much content on here. And so Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this home page. Also, when you are writing in your content, you want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they are going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they are looking for. And in addition to having the right amount of content, you also want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. And so Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords in your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for it. So, a great example of a keyword is car wraps Brooklyn. This keyword brings in 150 searches every single month. So, if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. And to put it into perspective, when you make it anywhere on the first page of Google, you typically see around an average of a 10% conversion rate. So, if there were 150 people searching for this keyword and you were on the first page, you would get an average of around 15 people on your site every single month. If you were to close 25% of the people that visited your site, you would get 3.75, or we'll just say 3 customers every single month. Multiply that by 2,500, the average car job amount, and that would bring it 7,500. Bringing in a 62.5% profit margin, you would still be at $4,687 every single month just from one single keyword. And so, right beneath the search bar at the top is where we see our Google Ads. There are none popping up at the moment, but Google Ads can be a really great way to get your name out there, build some brand recognition, particularly while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up or the market is hot. And so, right beneath where the ads would typically be, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so, the Google Map Pack is extremely important and can produce huge amounts of revenue, particularly where you are in such a populated space. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots, you need to have a lot of citations. And so, a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So, think Yelp, Yellow Pages, or Yext. Those are all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And so, you want to be on more of those directories than these 3 businesses are right here. And you also want to be careful when you are entering your information into these directories that it is identical down to every last character as it is on your Google Business Profile page in order for it to be counted as a citation by Google. And so now I've made it down to the organic search results. This should definitely be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term return on investment. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one on the first page. And so, let's see, this is a competitor that pops up for this keyword right here towards the top. And so we can take a look and we can see that they have a little bit more content on here, but they definitely do not have enough for Google standard. So it would be really easy to beat them out on this one page. Luckily, this is just one of their service pages. So you just have to beat out a service page, which is significantly easier than beating out their home page. In addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered, relevant backlinks. And so a backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. And you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high powered and relevant sites. So, for example, if a local auto body shop with a powerful site were to give you a backlink, that would be a really great way to bring some more power to yours. And so over here, I've hopped onto Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you do bring this in-house, I highly recommend using it. It is a little pricey. It costs me around $350 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. And so right here, I typed in the competitor that we were just looking at, and it tells me they have 658 backlinks from 298 different domains, and they are ranking organically for around 2,600 keywords. And so here I can click and actually take a look and see which keywords those are. And so you want to keep an eye out for buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. Also, since New York City is so populated, you do want to also keep a close eye out on this KD right here, this keyword difficulty. It does go from 1 to 100, but mainly they stay between 1 and 40. So you want to go lower the better. That is why I picked this particular keyword, is because it has a keyword difficulty of 1 and still brings in 150 searches per month. But here it will list all the different keywords that they are ranking for, how many people search for that keyword every month, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and how much traffic it brings them. And so you can go through, see which ones apply to what you do, and incorporate the best ones into your content. And so now I want to go back and I want to do the same thing that I just did with the backlinks that I just did to the keywords. And so right now it's saying that they have 658 backlinks. You don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks, you want to beat them out with the quality of backlinks as well. And so you can go through all these different backlinks and keep an eye out for the ones that have a high DR domain rating. And so you can click and on each of the ones with a high domain rating and see if you can get your site listed on that site as well. You can go through all of these backlinks, go through other competitors' backlinks, and then find some on your own too. And so now it's saying 621 backlinks is quite a few, but it is definitely beatable. However, do keep in mind this is just one competitor for one keyword, and you want to be able to beat out all of your competition. So over here, I have typed in your website into Ahrefs. Right now, you guys have 36 backlinks from 5 different domains, and you are ranking organically for 5 keywords. So let's just really quickly see which keywords those are. Again, you want buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. And so here it's only showing 3 now, but 2 of them have some variation of your name. And this one is low volume. So I would definitely just focus on getting some more buyer intent keywords within your content and then finding the right backlinks for those. To recap everything that we talked about, you want to add in, right, that good quality educational content with the right keywords. Number 2, get some more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, you want to find more high-powered relevant backlinks. And so to go back to the competitor that we were just looking at, I can actually take a look and see how many people visit only this one particular car wrap page. So this is the amount of people they say are visiting the whole site. And now it's saying that around 1,800 people visit the single page every single month. This Ahrefs tool can actually be quite off in this sense. Sometimes it can even be up to 10 times the amount that it says. But let's say that there were 1,800 people visiting this one page every single month. So if they were to close 25% of those as customers, that would be 450 new customers every single month. Multiply that by the rate of the average car job again, 2,500. That brings it to $1,125,500, and then factor in that 62.5% conversion rate, and they are at a little under $703,500 every single month for this just one service. And so that gives you an idea of how powerful these sites can be, how much they can help your business. And so that is what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.